Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super simple candy cane wreath for the holidays. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is take your candy cane wreath form and just wrap it with whatever ribbon you choose. So I've already wrapped this one and I'm going to put it aside. And then what I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra Bow Wire and I'm going to cut a piece that's long enough that I can fold it in half and put it into the Bowdabra, but also so that I'll have enough that I can tie it onto my wreath form. Let's go to the overhead camera. You can see what I'm doing here. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm folding it in half and I'm laying it down into my Bowdabra, and I'm just tucking the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. Then I'm going to take my evergreen and we're going to put that down that way. And then I'll take my other berry pick and lay this way. Then I'm going to take my tails and lay those down in here. Now we're going to make our bow. So I'm just going to fold this back and forth, and what we're going to do is graduate down so that all of the loops are different sizes. So we'll start with these here, and let's just make sure these are the same. I want my two loops the same, and then all the other loops will graduate down. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Okay. And we'll graduate these down so they're a little bit smaller each loop that I make. And the nice thing about the Bowdabra is that it has the springs, so it holds everything in place. So no matter what you're putting into it, it's going to hold it. You can put a lot into your Bowdabra. So now what I'm going to do is just make a big loop and scrunch this down. And those are going to be my last two loops. Then I'm going to take my berries. We're going to lay those coming this way. And my pick, and lay that down over here. And then I'm going to take my Bowdabra wand, give everything a good push, and take this here, pull it up, pull it through the Bowdabra, and make sure it's really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. And I'm going to pull it out, separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and I'm going to just tie it and tie a knot. And then I'm going to shape out my bow. I'm going to bring this over here and shape my bow over this way. And all I'm doing is just taking, and because this is a wired ribbon, I can just take my loops and shape them exactly how I want them shaped. And bring that like that. Bring this here. And bring that there. Bring this one up here. And bring my pick around over here. And then I'll take my candy cane. And I'm just going to tie this onto my candy cane and tie it tight, and I'm just going to twist it to help it get a little bit tighter around the candy cane before I tie a knot. Now I'm just going to tie my knot, tie it tight, and then I'm going to bring my tails down here, and you have a very, very beautiful, super simple to make candy cane wreath. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.